What's good, Royal Auto City? This right here? This ain't your grandpa's Rolls. This is straight up royalty with a street demon soul. Front, check this grill out, man. That Pantheon front end usually screams boardroom, but slap on these purple demon eyes and it's screaming something else entirely. Like it's about to haunt a parking lot. The spirit of ecstasy up top, still standing tall, still classy, but everything below her is pure chaos. Custom front bumper, aggressive splitter dropping low, and those LED light bars glowing purple like the car's got its own heartbeat. This thing don't ask for attention, it demands it. Side now, slide on over to the side profile, and this is where it gets nasty. That black over white duotone paint job, clean, sharp, intentional. But peep that wide body kit flaring out them fenders. This ghost got hips now, and these wheels, bro, deep dish forged chrome, mirror finish, sitting on a bag and slammed to the floor. No gap, no lift, just pure stance. The factory door handles still flexing that old money elegance, but everything underneath is pure new money menace. Rear around the back, you already know they ain't playing. There's a wing back there peeking out on a Rolls-Royce. A wing. That's blasphemy to the purists and a flex to everybody else. Black roofline flowing into that fastback style rear glass. Chrome trim still holding it together classy. But that stance, that drop, that attitude, this ghost is built to turn heads at the valet and break necks on the highway. Interior, hop inside and it's still that Rolls-Royce hush. Tailored leather, that starlight headliner vibe. Wood and chrome everywhere you look. Silent as a library but smooth as butter. They kept the luxury intact. They just gave the outside a whole new personality. This is what old money meets new attitude looks like. Pure royalty, zero manners. Catch you on the next one, Royal Auto City fam.